All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Logically Speaking. Today, we're going to be talking about a frequently asked question that comes into our office that we get regarding support, so alimony or child support, and a parenting plan that's not connected with your petition for dissolution of marriage, with your divorce. So we get asked a lot if, my spouse and I are separated, and we've discussed in a previous video that Florida does not have and recognize legal separation. So there isn't that in Florida, but if you and your spouse are separated and living separately, but you're not quite ready to divorce yet, does Florida allow you to seek alimony or child support, so some sort of support, as well as a parenting plan for your children that's not connected to having to file for a dissolution of marriage? And the answer to that is yes, it does. So under our statutes, under Chapter 61, which governs our dissolution of marriage and support and all of those petitions, a married person can seek alimony or child support if the other spouse has the ability to contribute to that support and is not contributing at the time and while you're separated. You can ask for either alimony or child support or both in that petition that's not connected to your divorce. And if you have children, you can also ask the court to establish a parenting plan as long as you are residing apart from each other and you are not wishing to yet seek a divorce or a dissolution of marriage. If the court enters those orders and enters an order for support or alimony under those statutes, as well as a parenting plan, then it's not going to prevent you from getting a divorce. You can divorce later, and you will still be married. The court is not entering a final judgment of dissolution of marriage, so you are still going to be married. The court's just addressing support items and a parenting plan. The court's not going to divide up your assets or liabilities when you're addressing just support and a parenting plan without addressing a dissolution of marriage. So you will still have to, at some point, if you decide to move forward and get divorced later, have to address your assets and your liabilities, as well as filing a petition to get divorced so that you can have your final judgment of dissolution of marriage and continuing on with the other items that are addressed in a divorce separately from support and a parenting plan. So if you are at a point where you are separated and support or a parenting plan is an issue that you would like to get addressed, but you're not quite yet ready to file for divorce, then you are able to do that. It's called support or parenting plan unconnected to a dissolution of marriage. And of course, you will be able to do that. And if and when you're ready to decide to move forward with a divorce, can petition for the divorce later on as well. So I hope you found this video helpful and informational. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our office and someone will be happy to talk with you and discuss your case with you. We'll see you on the next episode.